Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn a new phonic sound of letter C. Let's have a look at these words: car, cap, cup, and cake. And in this pic we have carrot, can, cookies, crown, chin, coins, cat, and cheetah. And this is circus. So you might have noticed that C is making different sounds, like we can divide it into soft C, hard C, and CH sound, what we call as digraph. What is soft C? When letter C is followed by letter E, I, or Y, C is soft and it sounds like S, like scent, city, bouncy, face, circle, fancy, ice, circus, mercy, mice, pencil, spicy. So please remember, E, I and Y along with C makes the sound of S. Now what is hard C? Hard C, when letter C is followed by the vowel A, O or U, okay, as in cab, can, cap, cat, cop, cock, cop, cot, cud, these all words. Like it sounds like k, k, k. Okay, so please remember, when C along with A, O or U makes the sound k, as in cat. So we have learned that C makes soft C sound also, hard C sound also. CH, ch sound we will learn along with other digraphs. Now let's move to the next letter, that is G. Same like C, G when followed by E, I or Y, it is called as soft G sound and it sounds like J, as in gem, age, gentle, germ, giant, giraffe, magic, rigid, gym, stingy, spongy, energy. So please remember, G followed by E, I and Y makes the sound J. J. That is called as soft G sound. Now let's see what is hard G. Hard G means any other letter along with letter G makes the hard G sound, that is G. Gap, gag, gap, get, gig, bag, like ending. You can observe it very clearly. You can listen it very clearly. Bag, lag, wag, g, ending with g, as in wig, big, hug or bug, mug, etc. The consonant G sound, G sound is very clear at the end. But what we have to remember is G has got two sounds, one is J and one is G. Soft G and hard G, that is E, I and Y along with G will give you soft G, and any other letter along with G will give you hard G, that is G. So please remember, the letters E, I and Y along with C or G gives you the soft sounds of it. Here there are more words, so please go through those. Please note that there are some sounds or words which doesn't follow these principles, which we will be discussing in the upcoming sessions.